Epsom salt for blackheads. Blackheads are pimples without skin that occurs when the hair follicle gets clogged with sebum, dirt, dead cells and other impurities. The area gets oxidized with air and forms as blackheads. It affects nose, mostly forehead, chin, cheeks, chest, neck and shoulders on the skin. Removing the blackheads safely is one great task, and usage of cosmetic products will not help you to achieve your desired results. So, it's always best to choose natural remedies like Epsom salt will definitely help in removing these nasty blackheads. Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate has numerous health, skin and beauty benefits that include acne or blackheads removal. Everyone needs a proof to believe, whether it is right or wrong. Here we are providing you with its amazing properties that make you feel that Epsom salt is a right choice for blackheads removal. It exfoliates the skin to remove dead cells, dirt and other toxic impurities from the skin. Magnesium in salt helps to regulate the activity of enzymes in the body, which in turn prevents the formation of these bumps. Sulfate helps to flush out the toxins, dirt and other impurities from the body to disinfect the skin. It reduces the pain and inflammation and smoothly removes blackheads that finally leave the skin soft and supple. Here's a surefire way to dislodge blackheads at your home. Let's get started. Epsom salt cleansing method. In this process, Epsom salt mixed with iodine will help to fight against the bacteria causing blackheads and clears the clogged pores to prevent the problem. Steps to be followed. Steam your face or wash it with warm water to open the pores. Pat the skin dry with a soft and clean towel or washcloth. Add 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt and 3 to 5 drops of iodine in a half cup of boiling water. Stir it well and let the mix cool down to room temperature. Apply this mix on the affected skin areas with a cotton ball. Gently massage the applied areas for a minute or two. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it with warm water. Pat the skin dry and dab it with an alcohol-based astringent, or simply mix 1/4 cup each of Epsom salt and water thoroughly. Use this liquid to wash the blackhead-affected skin areas. Also, mix Epsom salt with some water and use this mix to scrub the blackheads. Continue doing the same process daily for a few days until you cleared blackheads completely on skin. Tips and precautions. Epsom salt can be easily available in local grocery store, pharmacy, health stores and in online stores. Prefer Lugol's solution liquid iodine for getting quick results. Also, follow some proper skincare tips like not picking or squeezing the blackheads, etc. Exfoliate with a face scrub immediately after using this method to remove the loosened blackheads on skin. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in your daily cleanser and use it to wash the face and moisturize it normally. Be sure to apply moisturizer after using this Epsom salt method to prevent dryness. Try this excellent Epsom salt method and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.